Hello everyone. Today I'll be explaining how to read multiple time frames and how to get into accurate buy and sell positions. So for starting this, I'll be using US dollar index as an example. So this is my monthly time frame. I want to label my support resistance area. So this is my resistance support is first support is here, second support is here, where the price test is. Currently the price was consolidating in this area and then break out. Okay. So once you label this, you want to now get into the buy position. So we're still bullish. So how would you get into the buy position? So come down into the weekly after this. And remember, it's still uptrend. So we want to stay in an uptrend direction, trade in uptrend direction. Or if you want to do a short trade, make sure you have proper confirmation and you always make sure you use the higher time frame. So weekly and monthly would be the best time frame. Uh, if you want to get a good breakout, then you use the monthly. Monthly would be considered a nice starting point. Like you want to trade multiple times in one direction. Okay, and weekly is also good. Will give you still a good month of trading in a one direction. Okay, so the price came down here. So as you can see, so I'll explain the Heikin Aishi how it works. Okay, so there's only three types of candles in Heikin Aishi. Okay, so first the price, as you can see here, this is you have a tail at the top, tail at the bottom, body in the middle. That means the price is still in decision. So there's sellers and buyers. So and then as you can see, it's happening usually around the support and resistance area. So that's one thing to note, and it's very important to note. Okay, so here you see indecision, and then here you see a confirmation bar. This is when the bar ends, that's where you want to take your sell positions. Okay, again, once you're in the sell position or short position, you want to make sure you end your trade right on the support area. The main support is the monthly support. So monthly support is very strong, so you have to take that into consideration. Okay, so here the price came down. Here's the other one. Okay, indecision, and then here's the confirmation. Make sure you wait up to here until it closes. And don't worry if you even miss your opportunity here, you can always get back in, and I'll explain how you can get in, right? Okay. See, the RSI is not too accurate here, so we'll rely more on the candlestick structure. So here's a breakout, and now you want to get in the buy position. How would you get in the buy position if you miss your point? Now you use lower time frame. Okay, so I'll label this area uh, just to explain how to get it in the lowest price point. Okay, so I'll probably uh, so go down to the day trade. So in day here it went up. We cannot see much over here. The pullback is only 2 bars. Okay, so how would you see this? So you go more lower until you see a proper uh, lowest point. So 4 hours. Let's see. Let's try 4 hours. Okay, it doesn't tell me too much. Also, it's a small pullback in 4 hours. But here you can see it did came to the main support area. So that's what you have to watch out. So most likely go up. Okay. Again, if you using RSI and say, hey, it's supposed to maybe go below 30, and this it didn't work out here, so probably fall back in, and but instead the price going up, and then you're still waiting and the price going up. Okay, so don't get confused with the RSI. Okay, so what you want to do is just go in the more lower time frame. So you want to highlight this area. I'll highlight this. So I'll go down to the 1 hour. Okay, here a nice pullback right here. Now you can see your RSA. Okay, below 30 right here. So what you want to do is you want to get your long position here, long short position or swing position, whatever you call it, or even if you want to sculpt, make sure you do your sculpting in just the buy direction and only in buys, not sell. Because when you're in the lower time frame, you want to stay in one direction of trading. Okay, so if you do sell, probably sell from here, thinking it will break down here, but instead it will just break you out and then keep going in one direction. Okay, so you will get your buy here, and you put your stop loss here below the uh, main support of the weekly or monthly time frame. Keep your stop loss here and keep buying each time the price pullbacks. Okay, so since we know the price will go all the way here on a long swing position, this is our resistance, weekly resistance. So you want to get buy as much buy you can get. Okay, so you buy here. Okay, price pullback. Uh, yeah, this is most likely be a golden opportunity. If the RSA do pull back at 30, that's even considered uh, a much higher chances of getting a good profit. Okay, so this is like it's a golden opportunities right here. So you buy, pull back. So let's say if you want to get in more lower, like if you miss your opportunity somewhere here or here, and if you want to use to get into more position, so you buy here and then you don't want it, you don't know where to buy the next. So then you use much lower time frame. So I'll go down to 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, it's a little bit hard to locate since it's a very low time frame. Okay, so here you go. So this is where it was 1 hour. Okay, and you see a nice pullback here. Okay, and then you buy here, and okay, and you can even use 15 minutes time frame to get into more buy positions. So you buy here. Okay, here's the buy here, and here's some more golden opportunities. Buy and buy, buy until you have reached your main resistance area. This is where you want to close all your trades and wait for a pullback and then price to break the resistance area. And please try not to use the lower time frame for the price to break. Try to, if you want to make it more easier for yourself, just go to day. Okay, here, easy day right here. Okay, so you want to make sure you read your candles again. Price came down here and then here, indecision. Here, still indecision. So you want to get up to here. Okay, don't worry, it's not too late. You can always get in, and there's always opportunities. So you have a lot of time. Remember, this is a day, so you have a lot of time to decide. So you see this confirmation breakout structure, just where, and then you see use a lower time frame, maybe 1 hour or 4 hours. Okay, I'll explain one more time. Okay, so how to get it? So I'll use 1 hour right here. Yeah, right here. You can even use your RSI like overbought, right? 1 hour, and then you just keep buying, buying. Okay, keep buying. There you go, and where you want to end. So if you want to know, since I didn't label it and where our next target would be, so here you won't able to see accurately. So you want to go back to weekly. Okay, stretch it out nicely. The chart. Okay, and you want to know. Okay, so here and so you want to label your next So our main target would be right here. Okay, this area. And you want to do up to the body. Okay, would be our next weekly resistance. This is where you want to end your next trade. Okay, you can see in 1 hour too. So this is where we use the day time frame for the price to pull back, and then we use 1 hour time frame to get back in. Okay, so what's right here? We got in, and then this is where you want to end. Okay, for it's best not to trade in a straight when the price is moving like in a straight consolidation. You want to avoid that as much as possible, and just wait for uh, use your weekly time frame and see where the price breaks up. Okay, that's how you want to do it. And the same way I explain how to get into the buy position, you could do the same for the short position. But if you do want to do trade in the short position, make sure you use a higher time frame, like a weekly time frame. Okay, so this would be good short here. You just have to know how your candle is breaking out the structure. So, weekly time frame gives a good picture of how it's breaking out. Okay, always use higher time frame to for see to how the structure is breaking out. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it, and I hope it's explained you how to use multi time frames, how to get it into the position properly. Okay, just always use higher time frame to stay safe, and use lower time frame to get as low as possible. Make sure you know your main weekly, monthly support and resistance. Those are the main points you want to keep in mind each time you're trading any pair. You want to keep those in mind because that's where the price will most likely reverse. Okay, reverse. Okay, that's where the price is reversing. That's it. Okay, so make sure you keep that in mind. And the best is this thing happened currently during the news, the NFT news, but you never know. It's still indecision, so people thinking it may drop down and could go up badly. So that's why we have to wait, be patient, wait for the confirmation. Okay, don't rush. The more you rush, the more you lose. There's always opportunity uh, in trading. Okay, you one day you miss opportunity, but you can always get back in. Okay, thank you, and have a nice day and happy trading. And if you would like to see my analysis, please just follow and stay tuned. And have a nice day and happy trading.